tired of hearing this whenever you serve steamed vegetables? Well, you're not going to hear booze anymore. You're going to hear cheers, because my vegetable fritters are not only crunchy, but it is the new way that you are going to serve vegetables for your entire family.
Grab those ingredients quick before them kiddos see. Broccoli, slaw, carrots, olive oil. Run, follow me. Get that egg. Relax, because now it's time to make magic. Take your broccoli slaw. We're going to measure out 2 cups. Now, I got this over at the Walmart because y'all know I'm bougie on a bayou. But I love these products. They're already made. They're already cut up. They save us time. I know I'm going to have a negative Nancy out there who's going to say, well, you should just cut up the broccoli slaw yourself. How lazy are you? Boo, I'm lazy. I'm lazy. I got 2 kids and run a business. I'm a little lazy, and I give you permission to buy this. I will add to this a cup of carrots. Now, here comes Debbie Downer saying, carrots are way high in carbs, etc. You have to remember, gang, I am just adding a cup. If you are that person who is completely freaked out by the carbs in carrots, because it does have a little bit, I can't lie, you can leave it out and do 2 cups of your own broccoli slaw. Now, this is probably where I made a little bit of a boo-boo. I know, grab and class those pearls, but I always admit my boo-boos, y'all. Probably should have chopped this up a little bit. To this, I'm going to add almond flour. You all know my love of almond flour in this kitchen. 1/4 of a cup. It's going to be about 2 net carbs. Absolutely fantastic. And again, you see that I got this at the Walmart. This is what's going to hold the mixture together. And then to this, we're going to add our 2 eggs. I always use spatulas in mixing. You know me by now. I am not a tongs person. I am not, the fancy schmancy person. I probably should have, like I said earlier, chopped this up a little bit, but your discretion, gang. I don't want to be that person who says you have to do this and you have to do this. I'm not Gordon Ramsay. I wish I was, because I'd have a lot more money in my bank account, but I want this to be easy for you. We all have lives. We all have jobs. We all have something that we're doing, and I don't want this to stress you out or take so much of your time. Now, you do see that I added a little seasoning. I love my Redmond real salt. It's that awesome mineral salt. Use the fork, mix it in. Absolutely amazing. Set your pan to medium low heat, and add about 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We want enough olive oil. We don't want to do that 1990s thing of the nonstick cooking spray and wind up burning the product, and it's ridiculous. No, we want to use that amazing omega-3, that heart healthy rich olive oil. A little trick I learned way back in my 4-H days was that we pick up the pan and coat it with the olive oil. That's how we know the pan is hot enough. So I encourage you to do this at home. We use our beautiful ice cream scoop. This is a staple in my kitchen because it keeps everything the same size. And so that allows things to cook so much more evenly. And you see I'm using a spatula. You could use a fork to flatten it out, and you could put it together to make it pretty. And we're going to cook this for 3 to 5 minutes. Now, again, I am a crispy girl. Give me the crunch. Let me know in the comments section if you're a crispy person. I'm going to go a little longer than 5 minutes. I'm going to go about 5 to 7 minutes. So you know your family's taste buds. Cook accordingly to how they love food. Go ahead and give it a little flippy, and you might notice it will fall apart a little bit. That's all right. Who cares? As long as it tastes good, who cares? If somebody in your house complains that your food is ugly but tastes good, tell them you ain't got time for that. Let the door hit them where the good Lord split them. I mean, come on, y'all. This is good stuff. It may not look good, but it is delicious. Still, we're going to cook it another 3 to 5 minutes. I'm a crispy gal. So if you're a crispy gal as well, give it that extra 5 to 7 minutes. Look at this. Look at this. It's a beautiful, it's crispy. And if you were too busy laughing and not writing, scroll in the description box because I have the wonderful low carb recipe for you. Hey, and while you're there, pick up our 7-day low carb menu that you can print out and start planning your week. And hey, if you're into more low carb recipes for weight loss and hormone balance, follow your girl, me. I'm Shelly, a low carb dietitian. So subscribe, like, and hey, share the news with your friends. Much love, gang. Bye-bye.